वेलकम टू मिस्ट्री रैप्सडीज। आइए आज एक ब्रेक लेते हैं फ्रॉम एशिया और चलते हैं अमेरिका, क्योंकि आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मिस्ट्री रैप्सडी स्पेशल कॉल्ड बेक्ड चीज चिकन मीटबॉल एंड वेजी पोटैटो स्लाइडर्स। मेरा ये वीडियो बनाने के दो कारण हैं। पहला, ऑन हाई डिमांड टू सी मोर ऑफ वेजिटेरियन डिशेस, मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं आज अपने नॉन वेजिटेरियन एंड वेजिटेरियन दोस्तों को दोनों को खुश कर दूं। दूसरा कारण, sometimes you tend to get bored of eating the same styled burgers. So here is a solution for you. Sliders. These sliders are packed with zesty tomato sauce, hearty chicken meatballs, amazing veg mix, gooey cheese with a generous topping of butter. The USP of the dish? The veg and non-veg sliders make a great appetizer and are a perfect party food. And these are so irresistible that you simply cannot stop eating just one. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out the ingredients and the recipe. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Misty Rhapsodies by Rima. Let us first start making the marinara sauce. We would need 2 to 3 tomatoes, 1 large onion, 2 to 3 chilies, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, coriander and cumin powder 1 teaspoon each, chili flakes 2 teaspoon and butter or oil for cooking. We would also need some soft buns, 2 sets of 6 pieces each and some grated cheese for the topping. Next we need to puree the tomatoes, slice the onions, chop the chilies, crush and slice the garlic. For the buns, we need to scoop the center of the buns so that the veg and meatballs can fit inside the buns easily. In a pan with heated oil or butter, fry the crushed garlic, the chopped chilies and the sliced onions. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder each with some salt. Now add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili flakes here. Time to pour in the tomato puree. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. Now put it all in a mixie jar to prepare your sauce. And the marinara sauce is ready. For chicken meatballs, we need about 300 grams of minced chicken, 1 large onion, 2 to 3 chilies, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, ginger garlic paste, cheese for filling, and butter or oil for cooking. Along with that, we need coriander powder 2 teaspoon, cumin powder and chili flakes 1 teaspoon each. Now you need to chop the onions, chop the chilies, chop the garlic, cut the cheese block into small cheese cubes for the center filling and keep the cut bread pieces for mixing. To make the masala mix for meatballs, we can use the same pan. In heated oil or butter, fry some garlic, chopped chilies and the sliced onions. Add in some ginger garlic paste here. After that, add 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder each along with some salt. You can add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes here and let it all fry together. Dash in some fresh coriander and your masala mix for meatballs is almost ready. For veggie potato balls, we need 3 medium potatoes, 1 medium carrot, 1 large onion, 2 to 3 chilies, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, coriander leaves, cheese for filling, and butter or oil for cooking. We also need coriander powder, cumin powder, chili flakes 1 teaspoon each. We need to slice the onion, grate the carrot, chop the chilies, crush and slice the garlic, boil and mash the potatoes, cut the cheese block into small cubes for center filling, and keep the cut buns for mixing. For masala mix for veggie potato balls, we need to fry the garlic, chopped chilies and sliced onions in heated oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin powder, chili flakes each, along with some salt. Time to mix in the grated carrot. Cover with the lid for about 7 to 8 minutes to let it cook. Later on, add some fresh coriander leaves, and our masala mix for veggie balls is ready. Time for the real action. Put the respective mixes into the minced chicken and veg potato bowls. Put in the bun tops in each bowl and mix all of these very well. Time to prepare the balls. Place the small cheese cubes in each ball and brush the balls with breadcrumbs. When the balls are ready, in a fresh pan with heated oil, shallow fry the veg potato and chicken meatballs separately until they turn a bit brown. You may note that the veg balls will take lesser time as the potatoes are already boiled, while the meatballs might take a little longer time. Now first put 1 tablespoon of marinara sauce in each bun. Then start placing the balls inside of each bun. Brush the buns with garlic butter. This butter mix is prepared by heating butter with chopped garlic and coriander in oven for about a minute. When done, place all the buns onto a baking tray and sprinkle the grated cheese all over the buns. Bake the buns in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes till the cheese melts. And these are ready to eat. Enjoy your sliders!